Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update Windows on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. In order to update Windows, click on the Start button, go to Settings, then go to Windows Update, and now click on Check for Updates. If it finds any, you'll be able to click on Download and Install, and wait until everything gets downloaded and installed. After that, some of these updates may prompt you to restart your laptop in order to apply the updates. You can either restart it now or schedule these updates, but something that I would highly recommend is waiting until everything gets downloaded and installed, because sometimes after only one thing gets installed, it will prompt you to restart, and maybe some other of these updates that are in the process right now may also require you to restart. So just wait until everything is finished, then restart. But while it's doing that in the Windows Update in settings, you can still continue on using your laptop until everything here is done. And if it prompts you to restart, then it'll take a bit longer than usual. And if you're restarting, then please make sure that your laptop is plugged into power so it doesn't run out of battery while it's being updated. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.